Please take a moment to answer the following questions. We will learn about the key principles of fire safety and evacuation procedures. Please watch this video. We continue to our next section. Let's check your knowledge with a short quiz. There are 5 main classes of fire: A, B, C, D, and K. Each one of them has a different firefighting response. Please take a moment to answer the following questions. Each one of them has a different firefighting response. Please watch this video. Excellent! Now let's take your knowledge to the next level. Watch this video. Before we continue to our next section, let's check your knowledge with a short quiz. Well done. Please select an action to proceed. Now try to put the fire out. Remember the PASS technique? Looks like this fire is becoming uncontrollable. We need to evacuate the building. Well done. Now locate a map to help you find your way. Well done on not wasting time collecting personal belongings. In emergency situations, you should only focus on evacuating safely. Don't run towards the assembly point to avoid potential injury. Nice work finding the stairs. Make sure you are on the correct side. Welcome to HCT's Mechanical Lab, where everything is possible as we innovate and create solutions. When entering a lab, you must always ensure to wear your personal protective equipment. Well done! Please select an action. Now let's practice using the radial drilling machine and the safety instructions while using it. First, ensure that the machine has protection guards. Good job. Now you must check that the drill head is secured to the driver head. Locate the emergency stop button. Great job, so grab the piece of... Ensure to clamp the workpieces to the bench clamp properly. And secure the piece by tightening the piece with a clamp vibe. Well done. Please select an action to proceed. In our next section, we will practice using the grinding machine to chamfer a piece of metal sheet edge. First, ensure the guards are in place and secure before using a grinder. Adjust tool rest to 3 mm. Remember, never do it while wheels are moving. Looks like the wheel doesn't fit properly. It's loose. call your instructor to change the wheel for you. Maintenance team is on its way. A new wheel has been fitted. You can continue with the operation. Before you plug in the grinder, manually spin the wheel to make sure it is spinning freely. Check that the cables are in good condition. As usual, always make sure you are wearing your PPE before operating the machine. Adjust tool wrist to within 3 millimeters. That's 1/8 inch of wheels. Well done. Maintain 6 millimeters or 1/4 inch wheel exposure with a tongue guard or a movable guard. Good job. You are now ready to chamfer the metal sheet. Bring the metal sheet in contact with the wheel, slowly and smoothly. Well done. Please select an action to proceed. Welcome to the Chemistry Lab Safety Orientation. Before we start our lesson, please answer the following question. Thank you. Inside the room, you will find the media panel where you can watch videos to learn more about the topics covered in this section of the training. When entering a lab, you must always ensure to wear your personal protective equipment. Well done. Please select an action to proceed. When working in a lab, it's very important to know the lab safety features and equipment. Well done. Please select an action to proceed. In this section, we will learn how to minimize the risks of chemical hazards as we create a printed circuit board or PCB. Now let's follow the correct procedure to create our PCB.